In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent tasks in Microsoft Project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn regular tasks into subtasks, creating a clear, hierarchical outline that makes your schedule easier to read and manage. First, make sure you're working in the right place. Indenting is designed for the Gantt chart and similar task-focused views, such as Task Sheet. If you're not already there, switch to the Gantt chart so you can see your task list and the timeline side by side. This is where the outline tools are available and where you'll get the most visual feedback from your changes. Next, choose the task or tasks you want to indent. Click the gray row selector next to the task name so the entire row is highlighted. If you need to indent more than one item at once, hold the Control key while clicking each additional task you want to include. This is especially helpful when you're organizing a group of related activities that all belong under the same parent. Now, it's time to indent. You have two easy options. On the Task tab in the ribbon, look for the Indent Task button in the Schedule or Hierarchy group and click it. If you prefer a faster, keyboard-driven workflow, press Alt+Shift+right arrow. Either approach does the same thing and is great for quickly building an outline. When you indent a task, it immediately becomes a subtask of the task directly above it. The row above turns into a summary task and appears in bold, so it's easy to spot. You'll also notice the subtask shift slightly to the right, visually signaling its place in the hierarchy. If you selected multiple tasks before indenting, they'll all become subtasks of that one summary task above. This structure isn't just cosmetic. Summary tasks roll up information from their subtasks, so the start and finish dates, as well as duration, reflect the full span of the work underneath. This makes it much easier to see phases, work streams, or deliverables at a glance without losing the detail buried inside. As you build out your outline, keep a close eye on which task sits directly above, since that's the one that becomes the parent, so your structure reflects the way you actually plan to manage the project. That's all there is to it. Get into Gantt chart view, select the right tasks, and indent them with the ribbon button or Alt+Shift+right arrow. With just those steps, your schedule becomes clearer, more organized, and far easier to navigate.